Have you ever applied for a job through a job portal? Usually, the process is smooth. There are a series of sections which ask you for your information. You keep filling in the form and then for verification purposes, it asks you to upload your documents. Sometimes those documents are images. It can be a passport size photo or the picture of your Aadhaar card. Although uploading these pictures look easy, sometimes it becomes frustrating. That is because the file size is heavier than allowed. Similar such situation arises while filling up important documents, particularly at government websites. While uploading it, it suddenly stops and asks you to reduce the file size. Hence, reducing the size without compromising much on image quality is quite important. So guys, let's see how we can reduce the file size of an image or a picture. How to reduce file size of an image. Offline option. This method is only meant for devices with only Windows operating systems. First step is to right-click on the saved image and a bar will open up. Right-click on the image again and point at the Open With option. It will open another bar with multiple options. Click on the Microsoft Office Picture Manager option. Once you click on that, your image will be opened in the Picture Manager. At the top bar of the Picture Manager, you can find the option of Edit Pictures. After clicking, a side window will open up. Click on the last option of Compress Pictures in that. It will also show you an estimated file size after compression. Click on the Documents option and then press OK. Your picture will be compressed. For the Mac OS, you have to click on Preview. A window will open which has all your images of your device. In the preview, you need to click on the File option and then Export. After clicking Export, click on the Format option. In Format, you will get multiple file name options. Click on JPEG. There is a meter below it on which you can select picture quality. The desired quality is obtained by selecting the level on the meter. Online option. This is one quick and effective option for compressing an image without compromising on the quality. The first step is to open your browser and type www.photopea.com. The website page will be opened. After the page is opened, click on File on the taskbar. It will open a window and you can upload your picture on it. Once the picture is uploaded, click on the Image option. It will open a drop-down menu. Click on the Image Size option from it. After clicking this option, it will ask you to fill in the width. Usually filling in 1200 to 1300 gives the best image quality. There is also an option for selecting the image quality. The output file size depends upon the selection of this option. Another similar site which compresses file size without much hassle is www.jpegmini.com. These methods are quite effective, guys. They would prove to be helpful in uploading your documents on important sites in a hassle-free manner.